Makiaria hindi ya kigomano kia arutani anene Kiama kia arutani a thukuru cia secondary KUPPET kiama giki kiendekithitie gukorwo na ikiro ithatu cia mathomo. Muikariri giti kiama-ini giki oigite ngucanio iria ikoretwo ho gatagati kao na kiama kia KNUT yumanite na kuria mathomo ma JSS mabatie gukinyanirio.
How do you show solidarity? It is not just singing the song as Sarah brought us to understand the song, that solidarity forever. No, we have to show it in action. That when we have issues related to our work in the school where we work, because that is where the union is supposed to be felt. The union is not about strike. Strike is a tool of last resort.
Sometimes I see Kopolo say, I'm a member of parliament. And you want a union that does not have a member of parliament. What about when I grow and I become the minister for education? What should I do for KUPPET? Even if I'll have left it, I'll have a soft spot for the union. What about when I become the president? Because that's my vision of Kenya. Kopolo, nini nikikuwa president. Utakosa allowance kwa miezi 6 ine kama vile ulikosa. Si nitakuwa nimerelease nimesema anyway wacha hawa watu wakuwe vizuri.
Kiama giki no kirutite mukana wa kuiga MIRO thi angikorwo kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani ndigwitikira kunanira njung'wa nao hari gukinyanirio kwa WUIGUANO mweru wa CBA.
We are saying that the current 45 zones must be retained, and also the areas should be expanded to include some of the areas in Baringo, some of the areas in Migori, some of the areas in Bomet, and some of the areas which were threatened with, and some of the areas in Kilifi.
So it's unfortunate that the money is not there, but we are looking forward for supplementary budget, which must be done so that the CBA for teachers is in place. So within the next 4 days, Teachers Service Commission must invite the unions to discuss a new CBA. Otherwise, we go back to the old times where there was anarchy, and every December would be a strike from the teachers, the bait being examination in invigilation. And we cannot afford to go back there. And that's the message we are giving them.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.